Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video, we are going to find the highest paid employee. So here, I have a class called employee. Inside this class, I have two attributes, name and salary. Here I have a constructor to set the values of our employee objects. Then I have the get method for get name and get salary. And finally for printing, I have the toString method. So this is my class employee. And in the another class, demo, we have one main method. And here we have created a list of employees, okay, which is of type employee here, right? And here we have added the values with the help of arrays.asList. And here we have created the objects of employee class. Here the first employee is John, having salary 10,000. Then employee Alice, having salary 16,000, and Tom, having salary 35,000. Now here we need to find the highest paid employee. Basically, we need to find the employee which has the highest salary with the help of Stream API. So what we can do, first thing, we need to make use of this list, right? So I will say here employees, then stream, because we need to convert it into a stream. Then we need to make use of a method called max here. So I will say here max. So in this max, what we need to do, we need to have the logic to get the highest paid employee. And this max always return us the optional value. Why it return us the optional value? Because if your list is empty, then in that case, it can have a null value, right? So it will lead to a null pointer exception. So that's why max always return us the optional value. So here, what we need to do, here inside comparator, we can say here comparing, and inside this comparing, we need to provide the method reference to our get salary method, because we want to get the highest paid employee with the salary, right? So here we will make use of our employee class, which is our class here, which have all the attributes and get methods. So I will say here employee, then method reference to the get salary method. So I will say here get salary. So this will return us the employee which is having the highest salary. So we need to store it, right? So we have the class here employee. So I will say employee, and let's say EMP. Here we will store the highest paid employee value, but it's giving us the error. What does the error says? The error says change type of employee to optional employee. So basically our employee EMP is a type of employee, but this particular max is returning as the optional value. So we need to convert it to a optional. So we will convert it to optional. So basically you need to make use of this optional class, and then you need to pass the type here. Let me add this to the next line. This is our logic here. Now we just need to print it, right? So I will say here sysout control space, and here we can print employee. Then we have the get method here, emp.get. So this will print our object which has the highest salary. If I run this code now, so we are getting here employee which is having the name Alice. And let me increase the salary of Tom here to 90,000. Now the output should be Tom with salary 90,000. So in this way, we have seen how to find the employee with highest salary. In the same way, if you want to find the employee with the minimum salary, what you need to do? You just need to say your mean. Instead of max, we will say your mean. So mean is also one of the method here. So if I run this code now, so we will get the output as John, because John is having the less salary, right? So in this way, you can play around how to find the max and minimum salary of an employee using Stream API with max and min method.